Hi, welcome to Educationleaves. In this video, the topics I am going to discuss are, what is cost control, how to cost control, and why cost control is necessary for a business. Let's start the video. What is cost control? Cost control is the practice of identifying and reducing business expenses to increase profits, and it starts with the budgeting process. A business owner compares the company's actual financial results with the budgeted expectations, and if actual costs are higher than planned, management needs to take action. As an example, a company can obtain bids from different vendors that provide the same product or service, which can lower costs. Cost control is an important factor in maintaining and growing profitability. Controlling costs is one way to plan for a target net income, which is computed using the following formula. Sales minus fixed cost minus variable cost is equals to target net income. To reach the goal, management reviews both fixed and variable costs, and attempts to reduce the expenses. Inventory is a variable cost that can be reduced by finding other suppliers that may offer more competitive prices. Outsourcing is a common method to control costs, because many businesses find it cheaper to pay a third party to perform a task, than to take on the work within the company. Now move on to, why cost control is necessary for a business. 1. Profit-making capacity of a business is guided by the efficiency with which various costs are controlled. 2. Cost control leads to increase the efficiency in use of material, machinery and labor. 3. Cost control provides a basis for cost reduction. Cost reduction is necessary in order to stand in competition in a specific production line, and reduce the selling price of a product to grab the market. In my previous video, I have discussed cost accounting. Check that video in the I button. If you need the PDF, go through the link in the description. You can support my work by subscribing to my channel. Like the video, and thanks for watching.